finals appearance, beating the UST Ground Tigers 82-81. We have Coach Monteverde, Aaron Alarcon, and Darren Perkins. Coach, congratulations for this victory. So, what can you say about that? Terrence Perkins shot that brought you to the finals. What can you say?
Sa akin, I'm very proud of yung team kanina. Siyempre, a team like UST lang natin, we really respect the program nila. We know that coming to this team, hindi siya magiging madali for us. But then seeing sila Terrence and the whole team responding sa situation na yan, it makes me proud as a coach.
Thanks, Coach. You have 20 points, 2 rebounds, 1 assist, 1 steal. So yun na, may chance pa kayo na matapos ang career nyo sa finals. So ano masasabi nyo sa laban nyo against UST na pinatakat kayo?
Thankful lang kami sa UST kasi binigyan kami ng magandang laban. Papasok sa finals, makakilala ko sa to prepare. And hindi naging perfect yung game pero nag-react kami sa best time.
And lastly, to Terrence, you have 10 points, including 8 points, including the triple, the last 48 seconds. So, ano yung masasabi mo dun sa last shot nyo yung nagdala sa inyo sa finals?
Actually, masaya, pero pros pa rin talaga sa buong team. Hindi pa rin talaga yung panalo na yun. Bawat isa sa amin, yung trabaho talaga para makuha yung panalo.
Okay, thank you. The floor is open for questions.
Coach, can you talk about yung defensive game plan nyo kay Collins? It was, kumbaga, nade-deny nyo talaga siya sa loob. Ano na lang yung masasabi mo sa naging performance nila sa defense?
Alam naman namin yung magiging challenge namin since yung first game namin kasi UST. Yung klase ng difficulty na bigay sa amin ni Colin and the kind of player he is. So talagang sa akin sa practice yung pinagandaan namin. And syempre during the course of the game, paano nangyari, paano mag-react yung team.
For the two players, 5 years sa UP, 5 years kayo sa finals, pero tingin nyo ano yung kakaiba this time around, especially na last playing year nyo na sa UP ngayon?
Siguro ako, hindi ko masyado siya iniisip. Preparation pa rin talaga yung pinaka-focus ko. Wala yun sa last na namin hindi mo magkakasama. Yun pa rin yung pinaka-goal pa rin yung pinaka-focus namin. Yung makuha yung back.
For me naman siguro special siya para sa akin kasi alam mo yun, parang every game parang hindi na kami makakabalik next season. So yun nga, kung anong pinapakita namin ngayon, binibigyan lang namin lahat.
Terrence, yung 3-point mo nga eventually nagpalabang sa inyo, ever since high school ko pa lang doon ka na talagang kailangan touch short shooter when needed. So, gaano ka full circle moment na siguro na yung usang kang kilala natin for being a 3-pointer or 3-point maker, yun yung nagpadala against sa UP sa finals nito?
Siguro, masaya nga. Na-shoot ko yun. Pero siguro mindset pa rin. Ready pa rin. Kung ready pa rin.